talking about acid rain. Now, acid rain is a term we all are very much aware of. The rain which is acidic in nature. Now, the main reason for the rainfall or the rainwater being acidic in nature is the presence of the oxides of nitrogen and the oxides of sulfur in air. And they are all produced by the burning of fuels like the smoke which is coming out of industries or which is coming out of mobiles is all rich in the oxides of nitrogen and sulfur. So now let us have a look at the reactions which takes place when these oxides combine with water. Now the first one is the sulfur dioxide, that is SO2. Now when SO2 combines with water, H2SO3, that is sulfurous acid is formed. When sulfur trioxide combines with water, then sulfuric acid is formed. Now sulfurous acid may also combine again with oxygen to form two molecules of sulfuric acid. So these are the reactions for the oxides of sulfur, and they are leading to the formation of sulfuric acid and sulfurous acid. Then coming to the oxides of nitrogen like NO2, nitrogen dioxide, it combines with water and form nitrous acid HNO2 and nitric acid HNO3. Then similarly N2O5 also combines with water and form two molecules of nitric acid. So when these acids are formed in air, when these gases combine with the water which is present in air, these acids are formed. These acids dissolve in the rainwater and come down on earth along with it. And when they fall on the living organisms, they damage the ecosystem of the entire area. Wherever it is falling, the entire wildlife gets damaged. If this water is falling in the water bodies, then the organisms which are living in that, whether plants, whether animals, all the aquatic life is damaged or destroyed. Then this kind of rainfall may also makes the soil acidic when it falls on the soil. And when the soil becomes acidic, it becomes less fertile or a bit inappropriate for the growth of plants. Then it will also towards metallic structures. Now, whenever this acidic rain will fall on the metallic structures, like for example bridges or railway tracks, it may damage them and weaken them. Then it also damages buildings. When the acid rain falls on the buildings, and especially those which are made of marble. Now, marble is calcium carbonate, and acids have a tendency to break down carbonates. So it is very harmful for the buildings which are made up of limestone or marble, and it damages them very badly. Taj Mahal is a very big example. Acid rain was a big threat for the Taj Mahal because it is made up of marble entirely. So we can say that acid rain is very harmful for us, and it is better that the reasons for which it is happening might be reduced. Now let us have a look at the ways by which the air pollution can be prevented. Now first is by growing more and more trees. The first benefit of growing a large number of trees is that during photosynthesis they take in carbon dioxide, give out oxygen. So that is how they maintain the balance between the CO2 and O2 in air. Second reason being that the presence of a large number of trees in an area increase the chances of rainfall. So when a good amount of rainfall occurs, a lot of pollutants which are present in the air are reduced because of it and removed from the air. Second is by installing the tall chimneys with filters in either industries or power plants. Now what happens when we install tall chimneys with filters, the smoke which is coming out of the chimneys, from that smoke the solid particles are removed, and plus the smoke or the gases are released high up in the air. So when the solid particles are removed and the smoke is released quite high in the air, so it becomes less harmful for the human beings. Third is by using the internal combustion engine in vehicles. Now when we use internal combustion engine in vehicles, the complete combustion of fuels takes place. So because of which it does not produce smoke, it does not produce carbon monoxide, the complete combustion takes place and the fuel gets converted to carbon dioxide. So the smoke which is being produced or the gases which are being produced during the burning are of less harmful or less poisonous in nature.